The second objective is to understand full subtractor. So full subtractor is a combinational circuit. Here it has three inputs. Here we can see the three inputs are A, B and borrow in, and there are two outputs, difference and borrow out. So these are the rules of binary subtraction. If we subtract 0 minus 0, the subtraction becomes 0 and the borrow becomes 0. If we subtract 0 minus 1, subtraction is 1 and the borrow is also 1. If we subtract 1 minus 0, the subtraction is 1 and the borrow is 0, and if we subtract 1 minus 1, the subtraction is 0 and the borrow is 0. So this is the truth table of three inputs and difference and borrow. So if we subtract 0 minus 0 minus 0, so it becomes difference is 0 and borrow is 0. If we subtract 0 minus 0, so difference will be 0 and the borrow will also be 0. So if we subtract 0 minus 1, the difference becomes 1 and the borrow also becomes 1. Same thing happen over here. So here if we subtract 0 minus 1, the difference becomes 1 and the borrow also becomes 1. So when here difference is 1, so again we subtract 1 minus 1, so the difference becomes 0 and the borrow becomes 1. And in last one, if we subtract 1 minus 1, the difference is 0 and the borrow is 0. So again if we subtract 0 minus 1, the difference becomes 1 and the borrow also becomes 1. So this is the K map for difference and borrow, and this is the circuit diagram for difference and borrow. So here difference will be A XOR B XOR C, and the borrow will be, the equation will be AB plus A dash B in plus A dash B and plus B in. So this is a subtractor. So now we will see 4-bit adder subtractor. Here we can see 4-bit is there, so there will be 4 full adders will be there, and here we are using the same circuit as a adder and we want to use the same circuit as a subtractor. So here 4-bit input is there, A and B, and here we had a select line for using it as a subtractor and adder, which is connected to an XOR gate. So whenever we use the select line as 0, it will work as an adder, and whenever we use this select line as 1, it will act as a subtractor. And 4 output is there, S0, S1, S2, S3. So this is a verilog code for adder and subtractor. 4 inputs are there, 2 outputs are there, D out and carry borrow, and here as we have used 4 select lines, so with an XOR gate, so we are using an XOR gate here, and here 4 full adders are there, so we are using 4 full adders, and this is the verilog code. So we will run this adder subtractor, and this is the test bench we will be using for adder and subtractor. So here we have whatever module name we have used here as adder subtractor, we will use the same module name as here. We connect the two programs. Here also input is A and B and output is D out and carry borrow, and here this hashtag 20 means that we are using 20 seconds as a delay, and here are the inputs and input of A and B we are taking. Here we are taking select line as 1 and here we will take select line as 0 to see what happens when it is select line as 0 and when it is select line as 1. So for adder subtractor we will make a new file, add to the project new file, adder subtractor, and file type as verilog. Okay, we'll double click here to edit the file. copy it here. Now we will compile this. So it is successfully compiled. Then we will run this test bench. Name the file as address subtractor test bench. Compile it, compile selected. So it was successfully compiled. Now we will go to simulate, start simulation. Straight away we will open address subtractor test bench. What is the module name? And press on OK. Select all the input and output, add it as wave. And open the wave window, and we will straight away run our program. So we can see the simulation is complete. So here when we are here is our select line is 0. So when we add both 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 1, so we can see a sum of, it is working as an adder, so we will see a sum of 1 1 1 1. And when we take the select line as 1, this is working as a subtractor. So it is subtracting 1 0 1 1. It is subtracting 1 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1. So the output is 1 0 1 0. Here we are using it as adder. So we can see 1 1 1 1 and 1 0 0 0. So here the carry will become 1. So here the carry is 1 and the output is sum is 0 1 1 1. Here also we are using as a sub adder. So here the output is 0 1 1 1 and the carry is also 1. So this is the simulation for adder and subtractor. We'll close this and we will end the simulation.